Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a new tutorial on how to get this Subway Surfers mod for iOS and Android, providing you with unlimited boards, keys, and coins. So as you can see, we're not exactly doing well. We've got 22 boards, 1,400 keys, and 2,869 coins. But when I press this button, I can turn on unlimited coins, which I'm going to do now, and unlimited keys. All right, so we've added unlimited coins, we've added unlimited keys, but where are they? As you can see, nothing is happening. So let's see if the resources begin to rise. Oh my gosh, what the heck? It actually worked. So I'm going to show you how to download this Subway Surfers mod for your device, iOS and Android. You can be somebody with an iPhone or an Android. So I'm pretty sure the website we're going to go to is called matrixmods.com, but don't quote me on that. Let me just make sure. And yes, so this website, there's a couple sites I've been looking at recently, so bear with me if I'm a little scatterbrained, but this site has the best Subway Surfers mod. They provide you with unlimited boards, keys, and coins, as you saw. So I'm going to press on it, and you can see right here, it tells you, tons of bullshit, how it's an endless runner game, all that fun shit. But I don't care. I just want unlimited boards, unlimited coins, unlimited keys, 2026. So what I'm going to do is press download, and it's going to start downloading this Subway Surfers mod. So let's just give it a second for this to load. And as you can see, it is loading up. And you can see it says almost there. Additional files are required. So what this means is we have to download 2 of these apps, which are completely free from the official App Store. And in order to complete the verification, that's what you'll do. So as you can see, for instance, we got Travel Town, which says download and reach level 9. So it's a game, so just press continue. Take me to the App Store, play it until I reach level 9. So that's an easy one, a game. Some people don't like games, but if you're watching this video, chances are you like games because you have Subway Surfers on your phone. So playing another game shouldn't hurt. There are some other apps. We've got TikTok, which says down and run for 30 seconds. We got Swagbucks, which says install, register, download Monopoly Go, and complete your first event. So, that's a little advanced. But anyway, make sure you download 2 of the apps. Then the Subway Surfers mod should be on your phone. Unlimited boards, unlimited coins, unlimited keys, 2026.